What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. Just got done working out. I'm gonna be real with you guys. It was hard for me to find some motivation to work out this morning. I feel like there was a battle in my head, like, hey, not work out, not work out. It was back and forth. I feel like there's always a battle in your head, but finally managed to get in the garage. I feel like that was the hardest part, and then start warming up, and it started feeling good. And I work up to a somewhat heavy percentage on my snatch, which I was very excited for. And still chasing that 225-pound club. 2 big blue plates. Maybe this year will be the year. I'm hoping I'll get that goal. But yeah, hey, start feeling really cold out here. Even though I'm rocking a t-shirt, just got done working out. So, but they're calling for snow tonight. So mix of snow and rain. And some even say that it's going to snow up to 9 inches, which that's a lot of snow. And pretty excited for that. But I really hope we don't lose our power. That's the main thing. So, Murph, what you doing? Hey, buddy. This is my cat. I had it for maybe a month and a half now. It showed up at my parents' cabin. And I decided to keep it. It's a really sweet cat. I named it Murph after, if you know the workout, Murph. So, come on, Murph. I feel like it's very needy. All Murph wanted you to do is just rub his neck. That's it. Right, Murph? So I'm going to go to my river cabin for the night. And we just added a new additional thing to the river cabin. So I can't tell you guys yet. Good morning, guys. Check this out. Finally got some snow. Look like we got about 4 inches of snow here last night. Unfortunately, it is raining now, so it looks like it's melting away the snow. And today's supposed to get down to pretty cold, which means the snow might turn into ice. It's gonna get pretty ugly. The thing that I was gonna tell you guys about the river cabin was we finally got internet here just last week, and it is really fast. So I'm very excited, just because we're in the middle of nowhere, and so now I finally have a place to come to edit videos and upload videos. So I'm very excited. Yeah, unfortunately, about an hour ago we lost power, which means there's already some trees and power lines down. So when there's no power, there's no internet, and so there's no point staying here. I'm gonna try to drive home, and hopefully at my house I still have power. That would be great. I also brought Murph with me last night. He did not like riding in the truck. Did you, Murph? Well, there's a tree right down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I don't have my chainsaw with me, so I'm gonna try another way, see if I can go home. So it looks like we got another tree down, and there's another one down. So there's no way out of this valley. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna try to stay at the river cabin for right now. Just want to give you guys an update. I did talk to my parents, tell them that I'm still alive. They were worried to death, but yeah, it looked like I'm not gonna be able to get home. There's just so many trees down. And my parents said the weather's gonna get worse and it's gonna snow more, and then yeah. So the plan is I'm probably gonna be stuck here for a couple nights. So I'm gonna try to survive. I have enough food, and I also brought my sleeping bag so I won't be cold. And also I got some firewood over there, and maybe they're still dry. I'm gonna try to start a fire. And yeah, one thing I wish I brought was a fishing pole. Like yesterday I was thinking about it. I almost grabbed it, but I didn't. If I bought a fishing pole, can you imagine if I just fished trouts for dinner? How nice that would be. But yeah, unfortunately I didn't bring it. So alright, this is my first meal of the day. I haven't had breakfast, and it is about lunchtime. Let's see if I can fold this one hand. Ooh. Oh yeah, just look at that goodness. That's good. Finished, I guess you can say lunch, and now the rain is really coming down. I'm gonna try one more time, see if I can get out of the valley. I know there were several trees down, but maybe someone cut the trees, so I'm got my fingers crossed. Hopefully I can get out of here. I actually made it out of the river cabin, made it out of the valley. Someone cut all the trees, which is awesome. I wish I had my chainsaw with me and I would have cut some of the trees, but unfortunately I didn't. And there are just so many trees down on Highway 11. I mean, look at this one. That's a big tree right there. man, there's much right there.
Can you zoom in and take a picture of mine?
Yeah. So we got a truck hooked to another truck and then hooked to mine. So all because that little tree right there. So I had to swing out so I wouldn't miss that tree, and I slid all the way down. I thought it was stuck, but thanks to these guys, they got me out. Finally made it home. Man, it took forever. I didn't think I was ever gonna make it home. But yeah, look like I still don't have power here. But Murph is trying to learn how to walk in the snow. Good morning, guys. Look like we still got a lot of snow. Look like there's like a little bit of ice. Last night it did get down pretty cold. I'm gonna try to put up my drone, try to get some nice shots. That was a solid session. Got a lot of stuff done. I think we worked out for a couple hours, so it was nice to have Mary to join me for the workout. I think sometime when I work out by myself, or a lot of time I do work out by myself, it gets boring. So sometimes to change it up, to have some friends to work out with. So now I'm gonna eat my lunch. So here's my lunch. I'm gonna say it pays to have some good friends. So Mary brought this over for my lunch. We got some rice, chicken, some sausage, and some olives. My kind of lunch.